Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to learn about the properties of integers. The system of numbers, including negative numbers and whole numbers, is called integers. Now let us go to the properties. First, let us check whether the integers are closed under addition. Here 2 and 13 are integers. When we add 2 and 13, we get 15. It is also an integer. And here 5 plus minus 9, it is minus 4. That is 5 minus 9 and minus 4. All are integers. So, if a and b are two integers and a plus b equal to c, then c also will always be an integer. It is the same in the case of subtraction and multiplication. That is, when we subtract an integer from another integer, the difference is again an integer. And when we multiply two integers, the product is also an integer. So we can say integers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now, what about the division of integers? In the first two cases, when we divide an integer by another integer, you can see the quotients got are also integers. But in the next two cases, the quotients are decimal numbers. That is, if a and b are two integers, then a divided by b equal to c, then c need not always be an integer. That is, integers are not closed under division. Next property is commutative property. We can add two integers in any order. Let us check this through examples. Here 2 plus minus 7 equal to minus 5. If we change the order of the numbers and add, we get the same sum. That is, order of addition does not alter the sum. So we can say addition is commutative for integers. Same is the case for multiplication also. If a and b are two integers, then a into b equal to b into a. Now let us check for subtraction. When we subtract minus 7 from 2, we get the difference as 9. After changing the order of the integers, when we do subtraction, the difference is minus 9. That is, here the answers got are different. But if we take the same integers for subtraction, that is, for example, if we take 5 minus 5, it is equal to 0. After changing the order of the integers, it is again 5 minus 5, that is also 0. Here in both the cases we get the same answer. That is, for two distinct integers a and b, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. So, subtraction is not commutative for integers. And in the case of division also, if we change the order of the numbers, we get different answers. So we can say addition and multiplication are commutative for integers, while subtraction and division are not commutative. Next property is associative property. In the case of addition and multiplication of integers, even if the grouping is changed, it does not change the result. Here 1 and minus 3 are grouped. 1 plus minus 3, it is minus 2. Minus 4 plus minus 2, we get minus 6. Here minus 4 and 1 are grouped, yet we get the same answer. So we can say addition and multiplication are associative for integers. But in the case of subtraction and division, when grouping is changed, we get different answers. That is, subtraction and division are not associative for integers. That's all for today. Remaining properties we will learn in the next video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.